Hello students, welcome to readmedprep Academy channel. Today in economically important plants and entrepreneurial botany part 1, we are going to talk about the introduction to economically important plants and food plants like the cereals and pulses. The land and water of the earth sustain a vast assemblage of plants upon which all other living forms are directly or indirectly dependent. Prehistoric humans lived on berries, tubers, herbage and the wild game which they collected and hunted that occupied whole of their time. Domestication of plants and animals has led to the production of surplus food which form the basis of civilizations. Early civilization in different parts of the world has domesticated different species of plants for various purposes. Based on their utility, the economically useful plants are classified into food plants, fodder plants, fiber plants, timber plants, medicinal plants, dyes, cosmetics and plants used in paper industry. Now let us move on to the food plants like the cereals and pulses. Currently about 10,000 food plants are being used, of which only around 1,500 species were brought under cultivation. However, food base of majority of the population depends only on 3 grass species, namely rice, wheat and maize. Now let us move on to the cereals. The word cereal is derived from Ceres, which according to the Roman mythology denotes goddess of agriculture. All cereals are members of family Poaceae that are grown for their edible starchy seeds. The prominence of cereals as food plants is due to the following attributes or characteristics: greater adaptability and successful colonization on every type of habitat, the relative ease of cultivation, tillering property that produce more branches which results in a higher yield per unit area. Here you can see how the tillering of wheat is done. When the seeds are sowed, the sprouting and establishment stage occurs, followed by slow growth and then tillering stage. Next is the stalk growth stage and the maturation stage. So these cereals are very effective in tillering. Compact and dry grains are produced that they can be easily handled, transported and stored without undergoing spoilage. Here you can see the different types of seeds like rice, corn, wheat, sticky rice, sorghum and millets. They have high caloric value that provides energy. The nutrients provided by the cereals include carbohydrates, proteins, fibers and a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Here you can see the list of nutrients in the cereals. The highest protein content in the cereals is present in Foxtel Millet, and the lowest concentration of protein is present in rice, which is 6.8. The highest concentration of carbohydrates is present in rice. It is about 78.2 grams, whereas the lowest concentration is present in the Foxtel Millet, 60.9. The highest fat content is present in Foxtel Millet and the pearl millet, otherwise called bajra, and the lowest concentration is present in barley. The crude fiber, the maximum concentration is present in Foxtel Millet and the lowest concentration is present in rice. The mineral matter, maximum concentration is present in Foxtel Millet and the lowest concentration is present in rice. The calcium concentration, highest concentration is present in finger millet called the Ragi and the lowest concentration is present in rice. The phosphorus content, the maximum concentration is present in maize and the lowest concentration is present in rice. Cereals can be classified into 2 different types based on their size, namely major cereals and minor cereals. Major cereals example rice and paddy, wheat, pseudo cereal and corn. Minor cereals are example millets, otherwise called in Tamil Sirudhaniyangal. Major millets and minor millets are the 2 types of millets. Major millets, Ragi, otherwise the finger millet and the sorghum. Minor millets, Foxtel millet and kodo millet. Now major cereals, let us move on to the rice or paddy. The botanical name is Oryza sativa. Paddy is a semi-aquatic crop and is grown in standing water. It is an important food crop of the world, occupying the 2nd position in terms of area under cultivation and production next to wheat. Rice is the chief source of carbohydrate. What is the Origin and area of cultivation. Southeast Asia is considered as the center of origin of rice. Earliest evidences of rice cultivation have been found in China, India and Thailand. It is mainly cultivated in the delta regions and the irrigated regions of Tamil Nadu. What are the uses of rice and paddy? Rice is the easily digestible calorie-rich cereal food which is used as a staple food in southern and northeast India. Various rice products such as flaked rice called aval or poha, puffed rice or parched rice called puri are used as breakfast cereal or as snack food in different parts of India. Here in this image above you can see the flaked rice called aval or poha, and below image you can see the puffed rice or puri. Now rice bran oil which is obtained from the rice bran is used in culinary and industrial purposes. What are the health benefits of rice bran oil? Helps reduce irritating menopause symptoms, provides nutrition, promotes healthy heart, good in taste, prevents cancer, contains good fats, keeps skin soft, boosts immunity, prevents allergies and helps reduce weight. Now the husks of paddy are used as fuel and in the manufacture of packing materials and fertilizers. The make products from the waste rice husk are precipitated silica, particle board, paper, rice bran oil, sodium silicate, fuel briquettes, ultra pure silicon and activated carbon. Now let us move on to the wheat. The botanical name is Triticum aestivum. The origin and area of cultivation. Earliest evidence for wheat cultivation comes from the Fertile Crescent region. The common cultivated wheat Triticum aestivum is cultivated for about 7,500 years. Wheat is mostly cultivated in the northern part of Indian states such as Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. What are the uses of wheat? Wheat is the staple food in northern India. Wheat flour is suitable to make bread and other bakery products. Processed wheat flour that has little fiber is called maida, which is used extensively in making parota, naan and bakery products. Malted wheat is a major raw material for producing alcoholic beverages and nutritive drinks. Here in this image you can see above the bakery products of wheat like the bread, cake, biscuit, croissant, hot dogs, etc. Below image you can see the wheat flour and the maida flour. In this image you can see the homemade products of wheat like chapati, naan, wheat dosa, puri and many other products. Below image you can see the malted wheat which is used for production of alcoholic beverages. Now what are the health benefits of wheat? Controls obesity, improves body metabolism, prevents type 2 diabetes, reduces chronic inflammation, prevents gallstones, prevents breast cancer, promotes gastrointestinal health in women, prevents childhood asthma, protects against the coronary diseases, relieves postmenopausal symptoms. Now let us move on to the pseudo cereal. The term pseudo cereal is used to describe foods that are prepared and eaten as a whole grain but are botanical outliers from grasses. Example, quinoa. It is usually a seed from the Chenopodium quinoa plant, belongs to the family Amarantaceae. It is a gluten-free, whole grain carbohydrate as well as a whole protein, meaning it contains all the 9 essential amino acids and have been eaten for 6,000 years in the Andes Hill region. Now let us move on to corn. What are the uses of corn? Most of the corn produced is used as fodder than food. Corn syrup is used in the manufacture of infant foods. Corn is a raw material in the industrial production of alcohol and alcoholic beverages. What are the health benefits of corn? Helps in preventing hemorrhoids, helps in promoting growth, helps in weight gain, provides essential minerals, helps in preventing cancer, helps in protecting the heart, helps in preventing anemia, helps in controlling diabetes, provides eye and skin care, provides cosmetic benefits. Now let us move on to the minor cereals, otherwise called the millets. In Tamil it is called Sirudhaniyangal. The term millet is applied to a variety of small seeds originally cultivated by ancient people in Africa and Asia. They are gluten-free and have less glycemic index. Now finger millet, otherwise called Ragi. The botanical name is Eleusine coracana. The origin and area of cultivation. Finger millet is the crop of early introduction from East Africa into India. Ragi is very rich in calcium. What are the uses of ragi? It is used as a staple food in many southern hilly regions of India. Ragi grains are made into porridge and gruel. Ragi malt is the popular nutrient drink. It is used as a source of fermented beverages. Now, what are the health benefits of ragi? Helps in weight loss, controls diabetes, reduces cholesterol, increases bone strength, works as a natural relaxant, good source of protein and amino acids, treats anemia, improves digestion, reverts skin aging, increases lactation. Now let us move on to sorghum. The botanical name is Sorghum vulgare. The origin and area of cultivation, sorghum is a native of Africa. It is one of the major millets in the world and is rich in calcium and iron. What are the uses of sorghum? It is fed to poultry, birds, pigs and cattle and a source of fermented alcoholic beverages. What are the uses of sorghum? It's a very drought tolerant plant and it becomes dormant until water arrives. Good food for famines. It grows when better tasting grains don't. Grows in places too dry for maize. Western US for example. Also it's a very tough plant that grows well even in hard ground. Needs little cultivation. The different varieties of sorghum can be used in different ways. As a grain, the tassel produces many seeds about the size of a small pea. As a sweetener, the cane stores sugar which can be extracted as molasses. As a fodder for animals, they eat the whole plant fermented in a silo, makes it more nutritious and better tasting for the animals, as well as preserving it for winter use. To make brooms, these days most brooms have synthetic plastic bristles. What are the health benefits of sorghum, otherwise called jawar? It helps in preventing cancer, great for digestive health, improves heart health, it helps in controlling diabetes, great for relieving the gluten allergy, it helps in improving bone health, it is great for enhancing energy levels, it boosts circulation, it protects against melanoma. Now, minor millets, example Foxtel Millet. The botanical name is Setaria italica, origin and area of cultivation. This is one of the oldest millet used traditionally in India, which is domesticated first in China about 6,000 years. Rich in protein, carbohydrate, vitamin B and C, potassium and calcium. What are the uses of foxtail millet? It supports in strengthening of the heart and improves eyesight. Tinai, porridge is given to lactating mothers. Now kodo millet. The botanical name is Paspalum scrobiculatum. Origin and area of cultivation. Kodo millet is originated from West Africa, which is rich in fiber, protein and minerals. What are the uses of kodo millet? Kodo millet is ground into flour and used to make pudding. Good diuretic and cures constipation. Helps to reduce obesity, blood sugar and blood pressure. What are the benefits of kodo millet? Kodo millet is nourishing food substance and good substitute to rice. Intaking kodo millet controls the increase in level of blood glucose. Promotes a significant increase in serum insulin level. Kodo millet is very high in fiber and controls a rise in cholesterol and helps in weight loss. It is very beneficial for postmenopausal women suffering from a symptom of cardiovascular, high blood pressure, etc. Kodo millet can be eaten at any time of breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now, let us move on to the pulses. The word pulse is derived from the Latin words pulse or pultis, meaning thick soup. Pulses are the edible seeds that are harvested from the fruits of Fabaceae. They provide vital source of plant-based protein, vitamins and minerals for people around the globe. Now black gram, the botanical name is Vigna mungo. Origin and area of cultivation, black gram is native of India. Earliest archaeobotanical evidences record the presence of black gram about 3,500 years ago. It is cultivated as a rain-fed crop in drier regions of India. India contributes to 80% of the global production of black gram. Important states growing black gram in India are Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Karnataka. Uses of black gram? Black gram is eaten whole or split, boiled or roasted or ground into flour. Black gram batter is a major ingredient for the preparation of popular southern Indian breakfast dishes. Split pulse is used in seasoning Indian curries. What are the health benefits of black gram, otherwise called Urad dal? It improves digestion, it boosts bone mineral density, it's good for diabetes, it's good for your skin, it reduces pain, it's good for your heart, it is a diuretic, it boosts your energy. Now, what is red gram, otherwise called pigeon pea? The botanical name is Cajanus cajan. Origin and area of cultivation, it is the only pulse native to southern India. It is mainly grown in the states of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Gujarat. What are the uses of red gram? It is a major ingredient of sambar, a characteristic dish of southern India. Roasted seeds are consumed either salted or unsalted as a popular snack. Young pods are cooked and consumed. Health benefits of red lentils, otherwise masoor dal. It's good for your skin. It promotes weight loss. It's good for diabetics. It reduces the risk of cancer. It is rich in proteins and minerals. It is good for digestion. It is good for the bones and teeth. It is good for your heart. Now, what is green gram? The botanical name is Vigna radiata. Origin and area of cultivation, green gram is a native of India, and the earliest archaeological evidences are found in the state of Maharashtra. It is cultivated in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. In the image you can see the sprouted green gram. The uses of green gram, it can be used as a roasted, cooked and sprouted pulse. Green gram is one of the ingredients of pongal, a popular breakfast dish in Tamil Nadu. Fried, dehulled and broken or whole green gram is used as a popular snack. The flour is traditionally used as a cosmetic, especially for the skin. What are the health benefits of mung beans, otherwise called green gram? Helps reduce weight and fights obesity, lowers blood pressure, controls cholesterol and heart disease risk, helps fight cancer, boosts immunity and protects against infections, improves skin health, antitoxic benefits and decreases the postmenopausal syndrome symptoms. So today in economically important plants and entrepreneurial botany part 1, we discussed about the introduction to economically important plants and food plants like the cereals and pulses. So thank you. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment the channel Read MedPrep Academy. Kindly register in our website for UG and PG MCQs www.readmedprepacademy.com. Our Facebook ID is Read MedPrep Academy. Our email is readmedprepacademy@gmail.com. Our Instagram is Read MedPrep Academy. Join Read MedPrep Academy for UG and PG NEET preparation. Kindly WhatsApp the number. Post your questions in the comment box. We will reply with appropriate answers. Thank you very much.